Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will discuss complete description on polar curves and relationship between polar and rectangular coordinates polar curve sketching. The polar coordinate system is a coordinate system in which the coordinate of a point in a plane are its distance from a fixed point and its direction from a fixed line. The fixed point is called the origin or the pole and the fixed line is called the polar axis. The coordinates given in this way are called the polar coordinates, where O is a origin or a pole, OA is a polar axis, R is a radius vector, theta is a vectorial angle, P bracket R comma theta is a polar coordinate. Now we will discuss about sign convention for vectorial angle theta, positive, if it is measured counterclockwise from the polar axis, negative, if it is measured clockwise from the polar axis. Now, for radius vector r, positive, if it is measured from the pole along the terminal side of vectorial angle theta, negative, if it is measured along the terminal side extended through the pole. This is an example where plotting the given points on polar coordinate system. Relation between rectangular and polar coordinates. The transformation formula that express the relationship between rectangular coordinates and polar coordinates of a point are as follows. X-axis, y-axis, polar axis, where x-axis is a polar axis. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, r is equal to root x square plus y square, tan theta is equal to y by x. Next an example, find the rectangular coordinate of the point defined by the polar coordinate 6150 degree from x is equal to r cos theta, x is equal to 6 cos 150 degree, y is equal to r sin theta, y is equal to 6 sin 150 degree, x is equal to 6 bracket minus root 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 root 3, y is equal to 6 1 by 2 is equal to 3. Here is an explanation on this example. Graph of polar equation 8 leaf rows. The graph of an equation r is equal to f theta in polar coordinates is the set of all points r comma theta whose coordinates satisfy the equation. Next, special type of polar curves. First, rose curve. R is equal to a sin n theta or r is equal to a cos n theta. If n is odd, these are n leaves. If n is even, there are 2 n leaves. This is a 3 leaf rows example. Here is another 2 special type of polar curves graph. Spirals. Spirals of Archimedes r is equal to a theta and logarithmic spirals r is equal to e power a theta. Third one, Limacon r is equal to b plus a sin theta or r is equal to b plus a cos theta. If a is equal to b, then Limacon is called a cardioid. Here is an example to trace the curve r is equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta. Here is a table of an graph and comparing with equation r is equal to b plus a cos theta, we get b is equal to 1 and 2, a is equal to 2, that is module b is smaller than module a. So the graph has inner loop, while if it was having module b greater than module a, the graph will be the curve surrounding the origin.